Hey internet, what's up? It's your boy Brady D. Welcome to our first daily vlog, quote unquote, on daily there. This is gonna be a weekend vlog. I realized that I don't have a travel schedule enough that's busy enough or packed or frequent to actually kind of practice my video editing skills. So I'm gonna start mixing in some weekend vlogs, maybe a midweek one, maybe do some meal prep for you. I'm big on like a health and wellness kick. It's not first Friday in like 3 weeks. I need to go out and get a drink or have anything nice. So yeah, health and wellness era until I go to Vegas in 3 weeks and I get fucking pissed. But yeah, today's agenda, pretty simple. Spend money, which is my least favorite thing to do, but also my favorite thing to do. I got to get an engagement ring sized and cleaned, which is exciting, nerve-wracking, scary. Hope she says yes. I also got to get a haircut, which will be fun, which is why you got a fucking mop right now. Surprisingly warm out for March 1st here in Lowell, Massachusetts. Man, you know, cold still sucks, though. I hate the winter. You know, hopefully one day I just live in Miami and there's piss posh bagosh and I got nothing to worry about in terms of cold. And the heaviest jacket I own is the suit jacket. Maybe a raincoat, you know what I mean? A good trench, I feel like, is important for those hurricanes. But either way, here we are. I'll probably see you after the haircut, would be my guess. And we'll go from there. But toodaloo. All right, quick update. So Jeweler, not that bad. Thought it was going to be way more expensive. The place is beautiful inside. Shout out Longs. Shout out Trish and Chef for the recommendation. But yeah, $100 to get the ring sized and cleaned. Say like insane, you know what I mean? But yeah, wild. Beautiful, fancy. You know, I don't feel like out of place in those kind of establishments, but I definitely felt underdressed wearing like a denim tuxedo and a crew neck on with some, even though I had like a nice pair of boots on, a watch, some jewelry, fresh cut. But wow, classy environment. They were bringing out coffees to customers on trays. I was like, damn, I feel like I'm in Louis Vuitton, you know what I mean? Which, by the way, secret hack, go in there, flex on Amex, try some things on, get a few glasses of champagne for free, and then be like, you know what, I'm not really feeling anything. It's kind of a douche thing, but actually don't do that. No, because people hate that, right? No, yeah, don't do that. I'm gonna edit that out. All right, small update. Decided to come home. There are a few things in life I love more than coffee. As Jesse James West would say, it's like liquid dopamine. Also, welcome to the crib. We love Exposed Brick. Shout out Gossip Girl for the OG one, not the remake, for introducing me to loft style apartments. God, they're beautiful. But yeah, so there's a few things in life I love more than coffee. Liquid dopamine, it makes my ass up, kind of stimulates my hunger when I'm trying to fast. But the downside, you get fucking coffee breath, and it's awful. It's awful. I just, like, the taste of coffee when it comes in, great. When it lingers, not so hot. And we use like a French press to make some bougie coffee in the morning, and sometimes you just get a little bit of that sludge, and it's just like, no, it cuts right through me. So I figured I'd come home, give my mouth a rinse, maybe sneak in some cardio downstairs. I know it's a rest day, but I like active rest days. I got to work my second job tonight that does require a lot of walking. So, but yeah, that'll be it. And yeah, who knows? Maybe I'll find some time for errands, but we'll see. All right, so small outfit change. Getting ready for job number 2. Going to Bum Energy. Shout out to Bum Energy for doing it, but grocery haul was insane. We had a whole shit ton of things to carry in, but just take a peek at the fridge. Absolutely stacked. Freezer is also looking pretty good. Bought some proteins, some fruits, some fish, the whole 9 yards. I'll probably cut it off for today. This will be the end of Saturday. I'm just gonna go to work, you know, do my thing, come home, eat dinner. It's gonna be a light dinner. On a rest day, I try to keep things light. Like I was saying earlier, I hope I said it, who knows. But then tomorrow, I'll probably give a quick update. We'll see. We got a few tentative plans. You know, Sunday fun day is kind of like our little date day for the lady and I. So the morning, if I don't, it's also 50-50. I might have to work, I might not. So if I don't work, excuse me, morning is going to be a workout, meal prep, some real estate classes, and then the afternoon we'll go out, maybe hit the casino for a couple hours, then come home and relax a little bit before we get the work week started, you know? So need a little R&R when we can squeeze it in, but the grind never stops. So cardio will come tomorrow for sure. Work or no work, it'll happen. Even if it's just a half an hour with the weight vest on. But yeah, we'll see you on Sunday. All right, internet, good morning. What is up? Just right about 8 a.m. here on Sunday morning. Just wrapped up some weighted cardio. If you haven't gotten a weighted vest to do your cardio, whether it's walks, Stairmasters, even light jogs, honestly do it. It changed my life, you know? Kind of forces your posture to be a little bit better. Shout out to my guy Anthony for the recommendation. But yeah, so this will be part 2 of the vlog. Today's agenda is kind of up in the air right now. I'm gonna go crush some meal prep, shower, get a little breakfast in me, and then we're gonna see where the day goes. Ended up crushing like 9,000, 10,000 steps just at the restaurant alone last night, so glad I didn't feel too guilty about skipping the cardio session, but we got it in this morning because today we could go anywhere. We could end up going to brunch, we could, I could end up going back to work, we could just end up relaxing, who knows, but happy Sunday fun day, folks. Whoa. Okay, everybody, so this is not the grocery haul we did yesterday, as you saw from our fridge highlights, but this is essentially what Sunday morning meal prep looks like. It's a shit ton of food cooked all at once. The house gets nice and smoky, and we're done by 11 o'clock, so I can do whatever I want with the rest of the day. Today's gonna be pretty simple. My lunches this week are gonna be chicken breast with a chili verde seasoning, I think, as you can see over here. A little roasted broccoli, just salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some brown rice. I'm also gonna make like a pre-workout snack, which I try to keep fairly light, a very lean protein, a little carbohydrates, and then a little peppers and onions, just so I have an excuse that there's a vegetable in it, so it's worth the time. Today I'll probably just do what I did last week, which was like the tacos you saw me make yesterday, but instead of the ground beef treat that I gave myself, we'll go 94.6 ground turkey, which was on sale. We love a good deal. Bang, final result. Might have burnt the chicken a little bit. Broccoli's nice and crispy. Ground beef still steaming. Ground turkey still steaming. Rice is gonna be nice. Nice healthy portions, a little under 8 ounces of chicken breast for both lunches. Full cup of rice. A cup and a half of broccoli each. All right, so we've arrived at Arsenal Yards. We're gonna put the camera away for this one just to enjoy some good friends, some good vibes, some good times. Break you down, lift you up. Break you down, lift you up. Break you down. One day the world will be ours. Opportunity in our hands. Everybody stand up and take a chance. Yeah. One day the world will be ours. Opportunity in our hands. Our baby's the only thing your eyes can see. All right, internet. So nice little Sunday surprise for you. We ended up at the casino because we're 3 months in and 2 days into 2025, and I have yet to gamble $1 inside of a casino, and that is just fucking wrong. So here we are. I'll put a not safe for work tag on this because I've sweared a bunch. But, you know, what's a Brady D video on YouTube without a little gambling, right? So we only bought a couple $100 because it's 3 in the afternoon. We're trying to keep it low key. So hopefully, yeah, we got some friends with us from brunch. By the way, buttermilk and bourbon, Back Bay, yes. Arsenal Yards, no. Just good food, good drinks, but mid drinks, but bad service. So, yeah. We'll see you at our first slot. Hopefully we'll get a little bonus or something. Yeah. Fingers crossed. Big winners. Sunday winners. All right, that is a wrap on the weekend. All the food is prepped. All it's left to do is take a quick shower, get this hair product out of my hair, make some chicken parm, a little pasta, start editing this video, relax, and get ready for another fucking Monday. We'll see you next time.